Spending less and cutting costs. 1. Decide how much you want to save and establish your financial goals. Making a plan is the first step to saving money. To define your precise financial goals, start by asking yourself a series of questions. Do you intend to retire soon? Do you have any savings set aside for a future family or child? What do you intend to do when you are prosperous? Decide on your objectives and estimate the amount of money you'll need to save to achieve them. 2. Save 15% of your gross yearly income. Put some money into your savings each time you get paid and don't touch it. Determine 15% of each paycheck and make a commitment to setting aside that much each time you are paid. Next, see if you can gradually start saving even more. 15% is a good minimum, but 20% of your gross income is a better objective. 3. Create a monthly budget and follow it religiously. Make a monthly budget that includes all of your essential costs, your anticipated savings, and, if you can, a little amount for fun spending. An excellent method to start laying the groundwork for your efforts to become wealthy is to stick to your budget and save at least some money each month. 4. To effectively save money, keep a record of every penny you spend. The key to effective cost cutting and adherence to your monthly budget is keeping track of your spending. The more closely you keep track of your own expenditure, the simpler it will be to stay to the plan and increase your wealth. Select an expense tracking app, Mint and EveryDollar are two options, and keep track of each and every dollar that enters and leaves your wallet. 5. Eliminate all of your debts and make a commitment to never incur more. As long as you have debt tied to your name, it will be difficult for you to become wealthy since debt will continue to eat away at your earnings. Make paying off any debt you may have a top financial priority if you have any. When you are debt-free, make every effort to remain so for the foreseeable future. 6. Consider ways to cut your living costs. There are many ways you might save money in your daily life by cutting corners. Even though saving a few dollars here and there may not feel like getting rich, it will undoubtedly matter in the long term. The money accumulates, so doing something as straightforward as cutting back on the amount of times you dine out per month might wind up saving you a ton of money. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.